Now let's exit this menu editor, and then click on Themes option on the left. Next, click on this Customize button, which will take us to the Shopify theme editor, from where we can change the look and feel of our store. On the left-hand side, you'll see the header option. Here, under Menu, you need to make sure that the main menu option is selected. And then under Desktop menu type, the Mega Menu option should be selected. If you select the drop-down option, your menu will look something like this, where you'll have to use this down arrow to navigate through each category. We also have the drawer option, which will put the entire menu on the left drawer. This is a good option if you have a simple menu, but for our menu, this option will be a bit complicated. So I will select the Mega Menu option here. And now, if we click on this catalog option, you'll see that all the options are perfectly structured as a mega menu. And now, the only thing left is to add images in this menu. And as I said earlier, the free themes does not have the option to add images in the mega menu. To add that feature, we need to take the help of coding. And I recently found this code from a developer, which we can use to add image feature on our theme. I will leave this code link in the video description. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this Notion page. Here, you'll find different codes based on your Shopify theme version. You need to open the code based on your theme version, and then simply copy it. On the Shopify dashboard, go to the Themes option, and you'll see the latest version of your theme. Now, before editing the code, it's important to duplicate the theme file. So, go to the three dots, and then click on Duplicate. And within a few seconds, you'll have a duplicate version of your theme. Next, go to the three dots and click on this Edit Code button. This will take us to the Shopify code editor. Since we want to change the header, I will search for the header. Next, go to this header.liquid option. Simply click anywhere in the code and then use the short key, Ctrl+A, to select the entire code, and then remove the entire code from here. Next, open the Notion document and then copy the code from here. And then paste it on this theme editor, and then hit the Save button. Next, go to the three dots and click on Customize Theme, which will take you to the Shopify editor. On the left settings, under Header, you'll see this Add Block option now. And when you click on it, you'll see this Menu Image option now. This option was added thanks to the code we used earlier. So click on it, and it will be added here.